where excellence meets innovation. It is the premier state university in the Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of Republic Act 5521. This institution was built in order to promote its core values such as scholarship, leadership, character, and service. The Bicol University College of Science was formed under the administration of Dr. Susana Cabredo on September 10, 2004. The College of Science offers 5 courses: the BS Biology, BS Chemistry, BS Information Technology, BS Computer Science, and BS Meteorology.
Magandang araw mga iska! I'm Mika and I will be your student guide for today. Hi guys! As a senior sa computer science student, nag-fascinate ako sa potential nito on how it can change the world. Start tayo sa ating mga smartphone. And now, ang mga generative AI like ChatGPT. Technology has been a great thing for us to make everything easier and make things affordable to us. Wait, Lia, bakit ka nag-outside?
Well, maraming job opportunities sa outside. And I really like to think outside the box. As they say, computer science is like the backbone of innovation. So creating applications to solve real-world problems is like a reward, not just to me, but also to the society.
Staying up all night, finishing homeworks, studying concepts and different languages, I newly learned skill and now I'm mastering it. Ikaw, what's your goal?
Well, my goal is to follow the core values of our university and also to become a competent one in our field after we graduate.
Your goal after graduation? Maging software engineer or game developer. And ang priority ko is to be financially stable.
Career-wise, I like the web development, but there are numerous options like web dev, data scientist, and system analyst.
So that's it. Remember, computer science is not only about coding, it is also an art. Embrace the challenge, ignite your creativity, and embark on the journey of being one of us. Join us at the Computer Science of Bicol University.